everyone, hope so you are all fine, and in this video we are going to solve this log problem. We have a log into log x plus log into log x square minus 1, this is equal to 0, and we find the value of x in our question. So let's start. First of all, we use this property of a log, which is a log a raised to the power n, this is equal to n times log a. We apply this property on this term, so we copy the remaining value, which is a log into log x plus log. This will become, according to this identity, 2 times log x minus 1. This is equal to 0. Now in the next step, we let that log x is equal to y. Then the above equation will become a log y plus log 2 times y minus 1. This is equal to 0. Now in the next step, we use this property of the log, which is a log a plus log b. This is equal to log product of a and b. So according to this property, this side will become a log y multiply 2 times y minus 1. This is equal to 0. Now we multiply these two values, then we have a log. This will become a 2 times y square minus y. This is equal to 0. Now here we use this property, which is a log a with base b. If this is equal to n, then we write this as a is equal to b raised to the power n. So according to this identity, we write this equation as a 2 times y square minus y. This is equal to 10 raised to the power 0. Why here we write a 10? Because in this case the base is not given, and if the base is not given, then the base is a 10. So here we write 10, and we know that 10 raised to the power 0 is just 1. So this will become a 2 times y square minus y is equal to 1. In the next step, we subtract a 1 on both sides. Then we have a 2 times y square minus y minus 1. This is equal to 0. And this is a quadratic equation. We use this equation. We write this as a 2 times y square minus 2 times y plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. So look at this first two term, 2 times y involved in this two term. Then the remaining value will become a y minus 1. And here, look at this last two term, plus 1 involved in this two term. So we factor out and the remaining is a y minus 1. This is equal to 0. And we write this as a 2 times y plus 1 multiply y minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies one of them must be equal to 0. So we write this as a y minus 1 is equal to 0, or second is a 2 times y plus 1 is equal to 0. Look at this first equation. Add a 1 on both sides, then we get y is equal to 1. And we'll add that y is equal to log x. So here we write log x is equal to 1. And according to this identity, we write this as a x is equal to 10 raised to the power 1. And the 10 raised to the power 1 is just 10. So the one value of x is a 10. Now look at this second part. For this, subtract a 1 on both sides. So we have a 2 times y is equal to negative 1. We just find the value of x. For this, we divide this equation by 2 on both sides. So y is equal to negative 1 over 2. And y is equal to log x. So here we write log x is equal to negative 1 over 2. And the log x cannot be a negative. So this is not a valid. And in our question, the value of x is a 10. And we have done.